Good morning. Welcome. UGC University Grant Commission Human Resource Development Center Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar and UGC Malviya Mission Teaching Training Center Online Refresher Course Indian Knowledge System. Myself Dr. Rangrao Kaune, roll number 23. My studies micro teaching topic is studies on silk moth in India. Especially in India, there are four types of silk moth is present: mulberry silk moth, tussar silk moth, muga silk moth, and iris silk moth. Especially, mulberry silk moths are reared in the different parts of India. Tussar silk moths are reared in some of the belt in India. Iris and muga silk moths are reared in the only northeastern India regions. My study topic is muga silkworm in northeast India regions. Muga silkworm is Assami words which indicate the golden brown color in the cocoons. The muga silkworm, Antheria assamanse, is mainly confined to the Brahmaputra valley of Assam and 40,000 of East Cargo hills of Meghalaya. Its distribution in the wild state, however, extends from the western Himalaya to Nagaland, coastal district of Assam and south. However, commercial exploitation of restricted only in the northeast India. The muga silkworm is multi-volatile and passes through the 4 modes and 5 install stages. Generally, 4 to 5 crops are raised in the years. Muga silkworms is a polyphagous insect. It feeds on leaves of several kinds of trees. Mycilus bombycina, Verticillium song, and solo plants are the two principal host plants of the muga silkworms. Like the other lepidopterans, muga silkworm is a holometabolous insect, passing through a complete metamorphosis from egg to adult stages. Through the intermediate stages like that of larva, that is in Assami word it is also called as polu, and pupa is also called as leta. The entire life cycle lasts from the 15 days in summer and 120 days in winter season in Assam region. The wings and body of the male moth are copper brown to dark brown, while those of females yellowish to brown. Both pairs of wings and eye spots are present. The eggs. The egg is dorsoventrally flattened, oval, bilaterally symmetrical. The color of the egg is creamy and brownish and grey. After washing, it looks like light green or creamy in color. On an average, the weights of single eggs 0.075 milligrams as well as size of the eggs is 2.3 to 2.8 mm in length and 2.4 mm in width. The duration of the eggs hatch stages in the 7 days, including the egg laying and to hatching. In summer and 15 days in winter, generally eggs are hatched after 7 to 10 days and hatching occurs in the early morning times. It is completed in the 3 days. The hatching is more on the first day, about the 70 to 80%. Remaining eggs are hatching in the next 2 days. In the second stage, the larva. After hatching, the larvae are searching to search the food materials. They migrate towards the leaf for feeding. The larval stage completed the 4 molds and passes through the 5 instars. The first instar, the body color is the first instar larva is black. It has distinct yellow lines in intersegmental regions. The weight of first instar larva is approximately 0.0065 milligrams and body length is 0.7 to 1.2 centimeter in length. The larval head is small and black in color. Generally, lateral lines are not clear in first instar larvae. Larvae have 6 tubercles in their instars. The duration of first instar larva is 3 to 4 days in summer and 6 to 8 days in winter. Second instar. After the first mold, the larvae enter into the second instar. The second instar larvae are 1.5 cm to 1.9 cm in length and weight approximately 0.080 to 0.092 grams. The color of the second instar larvae is a slight yellowish in color. After the molt, the larval body turns green. Head remains brown and tubercles are bluish in color. This instar duration is 3 to 5 days in summer and 7 to 8 days in winter. After the second instar, the larva pass to the third instar. Larva enter into the third instar after the second mold. The length of the third instar larva is about 1.9 cm to 2.7 cm and it approximately weighs 0.445 grams. The tubercle is violeted in color and the lateral line is visible in this instar. Before the first and second instar, the lateral line is not visible. The larvae have some additional pairs of tubercles. The clasper is yellowish green in color and it is a triangular in shape. The length of third instar larva 5 to 7 days in the summer and 10 to 14 days in winter. After third instar passes, the fourth instar is developed. After the fourth instar, the larva it measures 2.7 cm to 3.5 cm in length. The larval body color is the dorsal surface is dark green in color as well as ventral surface is a light green in color. Generally in this instar, tubercles are red in color and provided with the city. The head and clasper is a triangular in shape. Black color eye spots are situated on the lateral side of the head. Lateral lines are visible and yellowish in colors. The duration of the fourth instar larvae 8 to 10 days in summer and 13 to 16 days in winter season. After the fourth mold, the fifth instar is developed. The length of the fifth instar larvae is about 4.5 cm to 5.5 cm in length and weight approximately 4.25 grams to 5.75 grams. The larval body color of the dorsal surface is a light green in color as well as the ventral surface of the body is a deep green in colors. The head is a triangular in shape and tubercles are brick red in color provided with the city. The lateral line is noticeable. It is situated from the posterior part of the anterior part of the body. After the fifth instar, the head is brown in color. The spiracles are nicely visible. The clasper is a triangular in shape and chocolate in color. In this instar, 3 pairs of thoracic and 4 pairs of abdominal legs are present. Legs are well developed and visible. Duration of the fifth instar, the larva 11 to 10 days in summer and 17 to 20 days in winter regions. Overall, the fifth instar larvae are well developed and fully grown larvae translucent green in color. At the end of this instar, the larva become matured and stop the feeding. The weight of the fully matured larva is about 10 to 15 grams in weight. After fifth instar, the larva go to the pupation, the pupa. Generally, Muga silicon complete the 5 larval instars and the specific outdoor host plants. Majority Muga silicon is not reared in the indoor rearing condition. It is outdoor rearing condition. At the time of the pupal conditions, the larva is the cocoon formation. They go collected from the natures and stored in the indoor conditions. After fully mature larvae are crawling down the host of the plant at the time of the evening. The researchers are collected as well as farmers are collected the mature ones and they collect and take on their plastic boxes or wooden boxes and bring them into the rooms. The larvae are placed in dry leaves of mango or jackfruits or some of their own host plants. The larvae go to the spinning condition, the cocoons and the surrounding of the body of the silk filament. It takes 3 to 4 days in summer and 7 to 8 days in winter seasons. Then after the cocoon formation, the pupa is converted into the moth. Inside the cocoon, the pupa transferred into the moth and owns its own cell. Moths are emerged out from the cocoons during the evening time and the continue it is next morning. The male and female moth is specially identified because their colors, wing size and abdomen size are different. The body of the adult moth is 3.4 cm. Length of the body is 3.5 cm in female and 3 cm in male. Generally, male moths are more active compared than the female moths. The male moths are coupled with the female moths at the time of the evening and during the coupling time. They prefer the dark environment. The addition during the coupling 8 to 10 hours and it has the 2 pairs of wings such as fore and hind wings. In case of females, antennae are larger than male moth and the antennae consist of the scape and pedicels. After the mature moths are developed.